I have no idea, so well played, guys.
Stop the clock and time is up. It's over. Now then, guys, congratulations. Take your money, £21,750 each. You've outrun the chaser. Brilliant stuff. Congratulations. Your charity, Andrea, please.
Breast cancer care.
Good for you. Robbie?
Mine's Project Africa.
Congratulations. Jessica?
Doreen House Children's Hospice.
Good for you. And Rory?
Get Connected, helping young people in crisis.
Good for you. Guys, what about that? Well played. Chaser.
You won, simple as that. You thoroughly deserve it. I hope your charities enjoy the money. Congratulations, guys.
There you go. What about that? Well, there you are. Congratulations to you. You've outdone the chaser. Can another team of celebrities beat one of our chasers? Find out next time on The Chase. Good night.
Picton. It's the gateway to the South Island. But the road ends here for me, and I'm on the water to get my connection for this week's travel destination. Now, that is the way to spend a day, I reckon. A tour of an incredible island with a lovely family, and at the end of it, you get to stay in your own private cottage. If I was you, I would definitely be putting Arapawa Island on your to-do list. Good night.
I like this time of the year. I get all my catalogues out, seeds and plants and gardening books, including my latest, David Austin. £90 I paid for this book. I ordered it and waited a very long time. So I hope I've converted you into rose lovers. And remember, this weekend at all garden centres around the country, they've got the best selection. I might see you there.
Picture yourself on top of the world.
When you're building a new home, you'd probably normally think of using new materials, right? Well, Joe and Peter Davey decided not to go with new materials, but instead recycled telephone poles. And if you think that's a bit different, wait till you see the rest of this inspirational home.